Lonnie's here looking at this weekend and all kind of mildness forming, right?
Yeah, it's just it's a really nice looking weekend as you look ahead. Today, this morning was actually really cold out there. It felt like 16 degrees with the winds that were biting, and I was just out on the weather deck, and there's some wind out there, but it's not as strong as it was earlier today. So what we will be talking about, a lot to do with that warmth. It's going to be a warm weekend, and really no rain in sight as you go through the entire weekend. I'll talk about maybe Tuesday a little bit. But even after you get through this weekend, maybe a little drop come Monday, but more warmth forecast as well. Let's head on over and start talking about exactly how I see this weekend coming together. I mean, there's a chance to get 2 60-degree days out of it. I'm going to go with 57 on Saturday. I'll go with 60 on Sunday. Now, especially on Sunday, there's not just a big orange ball in the sky. There will be some clouds out there, but all in all, you're looking pretty good. A 60-degree reading is a typical reading for April the 13th, and we are getting it here in February. So there's your weekend forecast. What about beyond that? And I told you I did a little long-range, investigating over the next 6 to 10 days. And look, you've got to take this with a bit of a grain of salt because, this can change. But we dropped the temperatures down on Monday a little bit. I'll explain that in just a moment. But really, after that, you're back up to like 50 degrees or above for the next 6 to 10 days. So don't see any big snowstorms brewing out there. What do we see brewing out there? We don't see too much of anything. I mean, that's a clear picture. That's your radar and your satellite. You can see some real thin clouds, offshore, but there's just not too much going on. Bigger picture will show you it's all compliments of... Boom, right there, the big blue H, okay? High pressure system in control. You get ready for springtime temperatures as you go into your Saturday and your Sunday. They'll drop a little bit come Monday. I'll explain that in just a moment. Now, the closest rain we have to us is near the Texas-Louisiana coastline, all right? I think you're going to be seeing some clouds from this late Saturday going into Sunday, but not so much the rain. And the computer models are on board. Watch how it handles it, okay? Here we are. Put it into motion. Keep your eye on the northern tier of it. That's what would get closest to us. So maybe it spills some clouds into the area, but not so much the precipitation. And then you see this little batch of snow flurry action. This is Sunday, 9 o'clock in upstate New York. But it does represent a cold front, okay, that's going to drop through, and temperatures will drop on Monday. But it's not going to be this huge drop. What we're talking about come Monday, which is President's Day, a bit cooler than a 59-degree day, a 49-degree day, a pretty decent-looking sky out there. Again, some of those clouds associated with that little cold front will be in the area. The extended forecast comes together looking like, we just talked about how warm and nice that weekend's going to be. Dr. Max, you're looking good over there, my friend. 60 degrees on Sunday. That's the warmer day of the weekend. But I would not rule out the possibility of a 60-degree reading on Saturday as well. Still a little breezy on Saturday, but those winds are still in the process of backing down a bit. Then you get to Monday. We talked about 49 degrees. I just don't see any weather problems brewing. Now, Tuesday going into Wednesday, there's a slight chance for a bit of precipitation. Tuesday, 48, but Wednesday, you're 53. Thursday, you're almost 60 degrees again. So that 6 to 10-day outlook looks on the most side like we stay above average.
You sound a little disappointed.
I'm not necessarily disappointed. I'm not done. I'm not done with my hopes for... Never mind. I'm not.
See what I mean? See? I know what you want. I know what you want.
You and I can't have a conversation because you hate it so much.
I want the hot. You want the cold.
It's coming.
All right, let's take you for one.